Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us. So why are ASX stocks retreating today? ASX stocks have retreated today with the benchmark index losing nearly 18 points at noon. Earnings season is also moving on pace as investors scramble to make sense of the reported numbers by corporate Australia. In the US, stock indices were mixed on Thursday. S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite rose marginally, while Dow fell slightly. Economic conditions in the country are improving as indicated by data. Utilities, materials, energy, industrials, consumer discretionary, information technology are leading the losses in the ASX 200 index, while telecommunications, healthcare and A-REIT were higher at noon. Best performing stocks in the index were News Corp, REA Group, Goodman Group, carsales.com and IDP Education. Stocks on the red end of the circuit were Eagers Automotive, Perseus Mining, Westgold Resources, Unibail-Rodamco-Westfield and Webjet Limited. In market news, CIMIC Group has reported that UGL was successful bidder in a contract issued by Transport for New South Wales. UGL has bagged a 10-year agreement for operation and maintenance of rail infrastructure for the country's regional network. It would generate revenues in excess of $1.5 billion. Baby Bunting today announced that sales rose 16.6% to $217.3 million in the first half of financial year 2021. Its gross margin improved 41 BPS. Net profit or pro forma rose 43.5% to $10.8 million. The company has declared an interim dividend of 5.8 cents per share. Genworth Mortgage Insurance announced that it slipped into loss for financial year 2020. Its full year results show that insurance loss was $174.1 million for the year, while net loss after tax was $107.6 million against a profit of $120.1 million in the previous year. Mirvac Group also reported half-year results. The real estate giant delivered an operating profit of $276 million, while statutory profit was $396 million compared to $613 million in the same period last year. In a trading update, Kathmandu Holdings said total sales in the first half rose 12% compared to the same period last year. It expects EBITDA to be in the range of $47 million to $49 million. The company will release results on the 23rd of March 2021. McMahon Holdings said a 4-year contract was secured. The contract was awarded by Silver Lake Resources for the provision of underground mine services. It is estimated to generate revenue of around $220 million for the firm over the period of the contract. Thank you for watching. Sage here reporting for Kalkine Media.